Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to go through how to inspect and clean the strainer assembly for a D14MZ3000. So first we're going to need to locate our strainer assembly and remove it from our concentrate. As always, whenever dealing with chemicals, you want to make sure that you have the proper PPE on for any of the chemicals or nutrients you're going to be working with. Now that we've located and removed our strainer assembly from our concentrate, we can go ahead and inspect and clean. To do that, locate the bottom weighted end of your strainer assembly. Once you've located the bottom weighted end, go ahead and unscrew the weighted end of your strainer. Next, locate the duckbill seal inside your strainer and remove by tapping down. Once you've removed the duckbill seal, gently pinch it between your fingers to check the slit for any debris or particles, rinsing with fresh water if need to. Next, go ahead and take some fresh water and clean the screen on your strainer assembly. Once both these pieces are clean, we can reinstall our duckbill seal. To do that, take the seal and install the tapered end into the small opening in the bottom of the strainer. Next, reinsert or re-tighten down the weighted end by hand tightening it on to the bottom of the strainer. At this time, we can go ahead and cut fresh tips for the connection points between our strainer and our check valve assembly. To do that, we're going to simply loosen the nut and pull the ferrule and the hose off of the strainer together. Remove the ferrule from the hose assembly and take a sharp blade and cut a new square, even end to the hose tip. Once you've cut a new flush, square, and even tip, reinstall the ferrule by pushing it onto the end of the hose, large end first, and push it down a short ways so that a very small amount of the hose is exposed through the end. Then we can reattach by pushing the ferrule and hose onto the strainer and hand tightening the nut. You can now reinsert your strainer assembly into your concentrate. As always, give us a call if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.